Good morning. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. And just to reiterate what I was talking about yesterday, we are having live trading in the Discord channel from 8:15 to 10 a.m. Central Time. And you can access the link if you go down below in the description and click on the More button, and it will get you into the Discord channel. And we will be in the live trading floor. Actually, it's called the Pre-Market Live trading channel. So I will start that stage at about 8:15 Central Time. So please come and join us, and we will go over live Tesla trading as the trades are starting to materialize. And I talk about the setups, and yesterday were some great examples that I will go over. No economic data today. Of course, government's still shut down. I do not anticipate it opening this week. So, however, like I said yesterday, there will be some data that's going to be reported the first time in several weeks. On Friday, you're going to have the core CPI number that's going to come out at 7:30 before the market. So we should get some movement there. And of course, today after the close, we have Tesla earnings. So hopefully that will get Tesla moving one direction out of the other and bring the implied volatility down. So the premium prices on the options will come down to more of a normal level. Let's go right into the broader markets. ES, we will start there. And right now we are channeling here. We are back up into this channel here. You could see probably, right between 66, 67, I would say between 67.38 up to 68.01. You can see how we're in this channel. I know we dipped below it back on October 10th, and then we pop right back above it now. And so now we're holding. As far as what I'm looking at for today, you did have Netflix earnings yesterday, which were good. However, they had a Brazilian tax that impacted their bottom line, and Netflix was off about a little over 6% in post-market rather. And so that could be having a little negative impact on the markets today. So we're still trading in this channel right now. I'm looking at these levels right here. Yesterday's low, 67.59.25. You have to hold that. If you lose that level, we quickly move down, in my opinion, down to 67.38.25 to hold at that level right there. If we lose that level, we come down to the 20-day SMA at 67.23.79. That's on the downside. On the upside, we still have some pretty heavy levels up here at 68.01.25 to the all-time highs at 68.12.25. If we do get through that 68.12.25 to the all-time highs, I think we could get up to that 68.67 for the first level right there. And then if we can get above that level, then I think we can get up to that 69.10 level. Then if we breach that 69.10, we're going to get up to 69.52.45. NASDAQ, pretty similar chart. Go over the NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks a little cleaner actually. So NASDAQ, same thing. Trading in this channel right here. We lost this channel here on October 10th. And then we regained this channel right here between the 25.394 on the high side, the 25.160.75 on the low side. Like this level here for a long, you could see how it rejected up here, had some support, and then came down here, had support, lost it. Then as the market pulled back, came up here, you could see it rejected. And once it rejected, I had this rectangle as a red. But then now that we regained it, I changed it back to a support level. So I do like that support level right there at 65.160.75. If we do lose that level, I think we can move back down to 25,027.25 area. And again, that's down by the 20-day SMA where it's 24,947.25. So if we did lose this level, actually this would be an ideal long here, 25,027.25. So that's, it's a couple hundred points lower there. So on the upside, the same thing on the upside. If we break the all-time highs at 25,394, we can quickly move up into, I would say this, I wouldn't say quickly, but the next level I see on the upside here is 25,739.13. And again, with once you get the all-time highs, it's uncharted territories. So you have to see the price action and then develop some levels from there. So let's get right into Tesla. Tesla kind of called yesterday. It's kind of a no-brainer, knowing that we have earnings coming out at the end of today. I said that this is still a heavy resistance level right here. And then I said I would have liked for Tesla to pull back down to this 441.40 level. And it did not do it during the trading hours. However, it did pull down here in aftermarket, and you can see it's still respecting that level right there, 439.74. I wonder if we got down there to the T. Oh, it's 440.01, so not quite. So this is a big level. It's an important level, 439.74 to hold. If we lose that level, I think we come down here quickly, as a matter of fact, to 435.35. And then if we lose this level down here, you can see how it was wicking over here. It was a very choppy day on the 17th. I would say that if we lose this level right here at 433.53, we quickly move down to this FMOC high again. That's been respected at 428.31. Now, mind you, Tesla today is going to be extremely volatile. So you could get a big pop, a big move, and then pull back because you have earnings coming out. So whatever is happening during the day today could all change after the market when they report earnings and then have their earnings call and talk about the forecast for the fourth quarter. So you can see right now Tesla is it is consolidating here right now. So you have to be careful. So just because these levels rejected once and then twice and three times doesn't mean that when it goes up there again, automatically I'm going to short it. So you have to see the price action. Right now we're looking at a 15-minute chart. And so you look at the price action on a smaller chart, maybe a 1 or a 2-minute candle, and you can see the action better on a macro level when you're looking at a smaller chart level. So I still have the same bias on Tesla. I would not, I like a long. If we can break above this 452.75 and hold above that, then I say we can push and we can start approaching those all-time highs again, up at 488.54. But right now we are still consolidating. You can see here, we can go a little further out here at this. Let's just go to a 4-hour. So you could see this is a 4-hour chart here. So it's a wide range here, but it's that's consolidation right here with Tesla. So we get that, there's still the same consolidation range between that 414 area, I would say up to the 452.75 area. And you could see how Tesla is just consolidating right here, waiting to make a move. So hopefully by tomorrow, we can get some direction one way or the other for Tesla, see some certain levels either break or hold. And then we can start trading at a decent clip when it comes to the premium prices, because the implied volatility, as I explained before, you can see here, I've got the 425 puts here, and that's literally $15, $16 away, and it's $8 premium, which is very expensive. And then I have the 465 puts right now, which is trading at $24 away from the strike price, which expires on Friday. And that's trading at $7.65. So during normal trading with Tesla, if there's no economic data coming out for them, earnings that can impact the market in a pretty dramatic way, these premium prices would be cut in half at least. So right now, because the implied volatility is so high, which means that Tesla, after they come out with their call, it could move $40, $50. In probably 5-10 minutes. I'm probably exaggerating in that, but sometimes not really. Sometimes because it moves when it gets going, it's pretty tenacious. So you have to be careful today. I would not get married to any trades. I would lower your lot size and get in and out of your trades and then just wait for tomorrow. You know, sometimes it's okay not to make a trade. So let's go over the 5-minute opening range trade yesterday. So on the Discord yesterday, I was talking about this trade while it was setting up, and it was setting up for the high side. So you can see right here, here is the first 5 minutes, right? And here is your break. So the first 5-minute range was 444.43 for a low, 447.17 for a high. So a very small range. Now, when we broke above it, I was saying on the Discord that I am not interested in this trade. I have to see some more confirmation that it's going to break and hold above this, because we were at this very heavy resistance level that I've had in here. So it broke above here, no trade there. Again, it came up here. I was still waiting to see what happened, and then a hard rejection. And then you could see you did get some downside on Tesla, but not great movement yesterday. So that, you know, the low yesterday for the opening range was 444.43. You could have taken it down on that second candle, 442.55. So not quite a dollar. So it really wasn't, the price action really wasn't great, and I didn't really anticipate it to be good too. So you could have gotten another move on the upside later on. So this is the type of candle that you're looking for confirmation. A nice solid candle hold. So it did break there, that level, and you did get you know, a little tiny move there. So you could have gotten, what was the range there? The range was in the high 447.17. Again, I could have gotten, yeah, probably $2 on that upside move. But again, I wouldn't have not got, I definitely was not going to get married to any trade like here if I was trading in this time frame right here, because we are in a heavy zone right here. And like I was saying earlier, I would not want to be long Tesla unless we get up to the 452.75 level, or we can actually pull back. Let's see here. I do like pulling back to maybe the 20-day SMA, 436.75. So these are big levels that are happening, that are trading at right now. We have to hold these levels. If we lose the 439.74, I think hitting 437.61, I think that's a no-brainer. And then pulling down to the FMOC highs, 28.30, is not unreasonable also. So anyways, that is it for Tesla for today. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please come and join us in Discord as we build our community, as I will be talking live and showing some live streaming along with the live broadcast from 8:15 to 10 o'clock Central Time. So have a great trading day. We will see everybody later on.